Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add some flooring to your container home or your other STEM project, your STEM challenge project if you're in 7th grade. I'm also going to show you how to decorate your walls in this video. Okay, so your floor. One thing you want to do, actually before you even get to that, is choose the space that you want to change the floor in. So if I'm choosing this area, I'm going to go into my flooring and let's say I want some cool kind of flooring in there, and you can see it changed it in the 3D view. Okay, I'm going to go back to my plain view. I'm going to go back in here, maybe choose a different floor for this area. You can add a whole outdoor area in these, which is kind of neat. So you can see I changed the flooring there. Okay, I'm going to go back to my 2D view. You should be able to create grass outside. Okay. You can also, for like the bathrooms or for the living area, do tiles. So if this is my bathroom here, I'm going to go back in there and I can choose a tile for my bathroom. Okay, and you can see, again, I'm in orbit view. So it kind of takes some of the walls off so you can see it a little bit easier. Okay, and you can see your orbit. You can change where it shows. Okay. And then as far as your walls, you can add wallpaper to your walls. So let's say I want to add some nice flamingos. I chose the floor there. So I'll choose my wall there, and then I'm going to do wallpaper, and I can add the flamingo wallpaper to it. Okay. And then you should be able to choose another wall, and you can customize it, which I don't know how to do very well. Okay. You can I'll apply wallpaper to all walls. You should be able to do that as well. So if I choose a wallpaper, and then it changes it to all the walls in the room if you hit this button at the bottom. Okay. And then if I go to my 2D view, and if I change this back to the 3D with the guy, okay, and I go back to the plane, you can see the guy here. And if I put him in that room and kind of go around, I can zoom out. It's a little harder to see. You can see your guy here, and you can zoom it around and see the whole room. Okay. I honestly prefer the orbit view, but if you click your button, and you can move it around, and then you can just see the two walls. Okay, you can also paint. Okay, so if you don't want to just wallpaper, you just go to color, and you choose what color you want your walls to be. Let's say I want a blue. Okay, now that just affected my wallpaper wall. I need to make sure I choose a new wall to do the paint with. Okay, choose the blue. Whoop, missed it. Okay, one more time. Choose the blue. Now that made it all the walls in that room blue. Okay. Now the other thing you need to make sure you do is hit save quite often so that you are saving your project. Okay. The other thing that you can do with style, besides flooring and the wallpaper, okay, is you can add other grass to, you should be able to add it outside. Anybody who adds grass, I'll give you a 4-2. Or like a pool or something outside. That's pretty amazing if you can do that. You can also add a brick wall in here if you want the brick walls. A bunch of neat stuff that you can do with this. And that is how you add floors and color your walls in Floor Planner. Or sorry, Homestyler.